Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 2 of Geography Physical Features of India. We all know that India is a country which has diversity in physical features also, and we have all type of physical features, geographic divisions in India. So we have six types of uh, topography found in India, that is number 1 Himalayan mountains, number 2 northern plains, number 3 peninsular plateau, number 4 Indian desert, and then coastal plains and island groups of India, Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Now we will explain each physiographic division in detail. First of all, we will discuss about Himalayan mountains. You all know that in the north and east of India, Himalayan mountains are found. They are young fold mountains. They stretch over the northern border of India, and they are in the shape of arc, and it cover a distance of 2400 kilometers, means its length is 2400 kilometers, and their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. It means they are wider in Jammu and Kashmir. It has three ranges in Jammu and Kashmir, and they are wider 400 kilometer, and in Arunachal Pradesh their width come less, that is 150 kilometers, and it has three ranges. Northernmost range or uppermost range is Himadri, Greater Himalaya or Inner Himalaya. Then the second range is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, and outermost range is called Shivalik. The question formed here can be: name three ranges of Himalayas. Name three ranges of Himalayas, and answer is Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. One more question can be: write a note on Himalayan mountains of India. Next is, if we divide Himalayas on the basis of regions or from west to east, then division of Himalayas can be on the basis of river valleys. For example, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj is known as Punjab Himalayas. Then part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Tista river demarcates Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Tista and Dihang river is known as Assam Himalayas. So we can say that on the basis of region, if we divide Himalayas from west to east on the basis of river valleys, then it has Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalaya. It is lying between river valleys. Now, assignment on the basis of these slides can be: question, write three types of plate movements. It means answer is convergent boundary, divergent boundary and transform boundary. Next, name three ranges of Himalayas: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. What is another name of Himadri? Inner Himalaya, Greater Himalaya is the another name of Himadri. How Himalayas were formed? How we can divide Himalayas on the basis of region? So this assignment you have to solve. Next physical division of India is northern plains. We all are living in northern fertile plain area. It is found in Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam. So all this area is very fertile soil. The northern plains have been formed by the interplay of three major river systems, Indus, Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. This plain is formed of alluvial soil. So this northern plain has been formed by the soil brought by three major rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. And area of this northern plain is 7 lakh square kilometers. And then length of Himalayas, length of northern plains is 2400 kilometers. Its breadth is 240 to 320 kilometers. It is densely populated area. It has favorable climate. Agriculture and industry are well developed in this area, and there is good network of roads and railways. It is the most developed portion of India because here we have fertile soil, agriculture is developed, industries are well developed, and network of roads and railways is good. So life is very good here. Thank you and have a nice day.